Okay, so here's how you export in Premiere. So we have our sequence right here in the timeline. So we're going to highlight the in and out points of the sequence. And then, of course, the weird thing in Premiere is that if you go to the very end and put an out point, it goes one frame over. So you have to go to the second to last frame in the sequence. So once you do that, you can Command M on a Mac or go to that export tab in the top corner there. And then this is where you rename and then also where you are going to output the sequence on your computer. And then that little thing up there is how you can expand that menu. And then you have all your settings. You can go custom or whatever you want there. And you can also import your previous settings or save settings with that tab there. And then you have your video settings in that tab, your audio settings in this tab here, and then some other settings. You can have your effects with your lumetri color or LUTs you want to add, and then you can also have a name or a time code to put on the export. And then you also have down here like metadata information you can add. And stuff like that. And then your information on the exports will appear there, size and all that stuff. And then you just press export and you're on your way.